How to lock your display for your Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. So if you don't want to interrupt your smartwatch at the moment and you want it to stay in the lock mode state here, there's a setting that you can go ahead and enable and also disable it when you are ready. When you're ready to do this, let's just say you're viewing the clock face like this here, swipe from the very top like this, and you're going to swipe over until you see this little lock icon right there. Once you tap on it for the first time or one time, this is going to happen. And from here on, if you're about to do something that's active and you don't want to accidentally touch your display and access something, so this is going to happen. So whether you press a button or touch the display, it's going to show you it's locked. Now, when you're ready to remove this lock so you can use your smartwatch once again, just hold down any of these two buttons found on your Active 2 and it will unlock it for you. So hold it down, you'll see the count back like this here, counter clock, and then it will be unlocked. Now you also want to make sure that you go back into the settings and untoggle this lock icon so that it won't go into effect again. And yes, you can press it again to lock your display once more, like and sub.